Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Motorola W385 with Verizon. The boxing in a little bit better days, but it's still in pretty good shape. So opening up, you have your phone. You have your mini USB charger. Your mini USB to 2.5mm headphone adapter, your battery, and then you have your owner's manuals. Alrighty, let's take a look at the phone. Go and put the battery in it. Alrighty, on the left side you have your volume rockers, you have your speakerphone key, your mini USB charging port, your voice command key on the right side, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top besides your battery release. On the back you have your Verizon logo, Motorola logo, and your speaker cutout. On the front you have your front, I think it's a VGA camera. Let me see if it says on the box. I think it's a VGA, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, it doesn't say. You have your front display. Opening it up, you have your black rubbery keypad that lights up in blue. There's your front display, or your internal display. That speaker doesn't sound very good, guys, so there's the unboxing and a little look at the Motorola W385. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.